Hey guys, and welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to Jim Corbett. Yes, another road trip in such a short span of time, but I'll explain the story later. This road trip is going to be super fun. Like, it's an amazing way there and the place is amazing, so let's get right into it. Corbett, and now we are in the forest area. Our resort is up in the hill, so like we'll take half an hour or 1 more hour to reach there. We've stopped at this random place for some tea and food, aka Maggie. At this Maggie point, there are a couple of shops over here and some tea as well. So yeah. So this place is really beautiful. I'm going to show you some clips over here and some restaurants as well. Couple of videos from a resort. I'm going at a nearby river near my hotel. It's a good 15-minute trek and it's very cool.
Here we go.
I couldn't record much of the river because my GoPro's battery died, but I got some really sick shots the next day, which you'll see in the next vlogs. And yeah, that's pretty much my day. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and bye.